If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. QuickBooks Online is migrating its standard reports away from the old Classic view to the new Modern view. Standard reports open by default using either the Classic view or the Modern view. To switch the Standard report view if needed and/or desired and/or available, click the Switch to Modern view or Switch to Classic view link at the top of the report. Note that reports that don't show this link currently appear in the Classic view only. However, Intuit's stated goal is to switch all reports to the Modern view. To customize a standard report after running it to change its most common settings, change the options shown at the top of the report. To regenerate a report after changing these settings, if using the Classic view, click the Run Report button in this section. The available settings in this section change for each report. These are also not all the customization options available, just the most common settings. To collapse and expand this section, click the arrow in the lower right corner of the Report Customization section. In the Classic view, customization options also often appear in a toolbar at the top of a report after running it. Options commonly shown here include an Expand Collapse link, a Sort dropdown, an Add Notes link, and, for balance sheet and profit and loss reports, an Edit Titles link. You can also perform many of these same options in the Modern view, although you access them in a different way. To expand and collapse subaccounts in Classic view reports which show subaccount data, click the Expand or Collapse link in the toolbar. There is no corresponding setting for this in the Modern view, which instead shows all subaccounts in an expanded view by default. However, you can click the Expand Collapse arrow next to an account that shows subaccounts within the Modern view of a report to collapse it down to a single line if desired. To choose how to sort the report in the Classic view, select a choice from the Sort drop-down in this toolbar. Alternatively, to sort by column values if using the Modern view, click the Sort arrow button next to the column heading containing the values by which to sort the report to show an upward or downward pointing arrow, which shows the direction of the sorting applied to that column's values. To reverse the current sort order on the column, click this arrow again. To add notes to the bottom of the report in the Classic view, click the Add Notes link in this toolbar. Alternatively, to add notes to the bottom of a report in the Modern view, click the More Actions drop-down in the upper right corner of the report window, and then select the Add Note command. In either view, then type the note into the box at the bottom of the report, and then click outside of the note box to set it. If needed, to rename the default report sections for balance sheet and profit and loss reports if using the Classic view, click the Edit Titles link in this toolbar, enter the new titles for the report's sections in the window that appears, and then click the Save button to apply them. There is no corresponding option for this in Modern reports. To customize the report title in either the Classic view or Modern view, hover over the report's header information and then click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil, in the report header. Then change the report's title in the Report Title field. Optionally, to also change the company name if using the classic view, change that field's value in the report header. To add a logo to a report, if using the classic view, you must have uploaded a logo within the company name section of the company settings in the account and settings window first. If so, then check the Show Logo checkbox when editing the header section to show that logo in the report. If you did not upload a logo, then nothing appears here in the report. To apply the changes, click into the blank area in the toolbar above the header if using the classic view, or click outside the report title field if using the modern view. Note that you can add or remove the company name and logo if using the modern view too, which we'll examine in the next lesson on customizing general report settings. To fully customize a report in the classic view after opening it, click the Customize button in the upper right corner of the report window to open a Customize Report pane at the right side of the window. The Customize Report pane lets you access all the report's customization options within its sections. These sections are General, Rows/Columns, Aging for aging reports only, Filter, and Header/Footer. You can click each section's label to expand and collapse its options. The options in each section vary based on the selected report. To close this pane without changing its options, click the X button in its upper right corner. Alternatively, to run the report and apply the changed settings, click the Run Report button at the bottom of the pane. The next several lessons look at what you can expect to customize in each section of this pane. Alternatively, to fully customize a report in the modern view after opening it, click the various buttons for the different sections that appear towards the upper right corner of the report in the Customization section. Clicking each button opens a corresponding pane at the right side of the window that contains the related settings you can change. These buttons roughly correspond to the report customization sections in the Customize Report pane in the Classic view. The buttons that appear for a report change depending on the specific report selected. However, they often include a Display or Columns button that lets you change the displayed column values, a Compare button for comparison reports only, a Filter button to apply report filters, and a General Options button, which contains other miscellaneous options like aging, header, and footer options within the sections in its pane. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.